have made the impossible to be possible, just like you see on the screen right now. Like a lot of you people have been dreaming, have been thinking, how do they do this thing? How do people see themselves inside the play? I know you have come across such kind of video. You see somebody that is in Nigeria, all of a sudden you see that person with his cyber truck, or you see that person boarding a plane right away. Just to the use of AI, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this. So in this video that you see up here, you can see this picture that I turned into a video here. So it's an animation that we achieve using AI. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you guys through on how to actually do this. This video will be very, very short because I don't want to bore you guys. So a lot of you don't know that you can actually do the impossible using AI. Like if you're in Nigeria, you know about Nnamdi Kanu that was sentenced, like they gave life imprisonment. I know you came across some of his video that you saw him in the prison and all of that. But in this video, I'm going to show you how people use AI to do all of these things, and it's very easy. Just like I showed you in the starting of this video, and many more I'm going to put you through. So make sure that you give me a big thumbs up on this video, like, comment, and give me a big share on this video because I promise you guys are going to love it. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel when you're done watching, and if this video was helpful, please give me a big thumbs up when you finish watching and drop me some beautiful comment. And if you want me to create any other tutorial, I will be really willing to do that for you guys. So guys, let's dive into this tutorial because it's very easy and it's something that you can easily do. Let's go, guys. We're going to be using the Grok AI. It's spelled as GROK. So you're going to create from templates. So you're going to choose any particular template that you want because you want to post it on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. So I picked that particular template and I clicked a picture from my gallery. So all you have to do is click on the template. It's going to pick a picture from your gallery, whatever way that you want it to be. So you're going to pick the picture, you're going to allow it to load. So after loading, it's going to generate the exact template for you. So you see that it was dancing. So you can equally change the prompt where you see create a short video animation showing so. So all you have to do is change the prompt, whatever you want the image to be. So that's what you're going to do. So you're going to click on the save button. It's going to save into your gallery. So you can try any other template. This I chose that family template. So this is me. This is I and my husband. So it's going to generate. Look at what they say. Are their children looking like them and dressed similarly? So you can just write a different prompt so it can generate for you. So this I'm just using the prompt that was imputed there already. So it's gonna generate for you. All you have to do is change the prompt to be whatever you want it to be, and it's going to generate for you. This is very, very easy. That you don't even need to pay to use this. This is a free process. You don't have to pay to use this particular feature. So you're going to just hold on for it to generate, and this is how it came out to be. They gave me 3 kits. I don't know if I have 3 kits. I have only 2 kits, so they just show you how it was done. And the kits look similar, like it looked like us, you understand? So AI is like, it's very, very like, I feel that I don't know, but it's really real. It's real, like, so all you have to do is just go over and explore and try out more template there. So we're going to use the template. I was just trying to stroll through so we can see any other template. So we're going to use this helicopter escape. So you see how it came out to be. So I chose a picture of my husband, and then we're going to see how it's going to generate for us. So if you don't want it to, like I said before, you have to just change the prompt. That is the write-up that you see here. It said a rescue rope drops from above as the subject grabs it and vanishes skyward. Action peaks cinematic getaway. So all you have to do, if you don't want this particular one, you can change it. So it's gonna just generate. So they're asking me if I'm enjoying Grok so far, and I said yes. So this is how it came out to be. So you see, this is how your favorites, this is how they designed their clips, short videos, image to video, and it came out nice. Thank you for watching.